Binance Exchange, Kucoin, Kraken Exchange to support the Terra Classic network upgrade, next network upgrade. And of course, I'm not surprised because they have been doing it. They have been supporting Terra Classic whenever they want to. They have a network upgrade, especially Binance, then Kucoin, Kraken. Of course, even Crypto.com and other exchanges are also ready to support their next network upgrade. Now, what is the benefit of all this network upgrade for me? And I don't really know, because I know it goes a long way to help the coins. But thinking of the network upgrade that have really happened in the past, it have really brought no changes towards Terra Classic, even though Terra Classic have been dropping more every time. So what is the next plan? What's the next approach? What do they really need that can change a lot, that can change everything for Terra Classic? Whenever I hear about network upgrade, I'm like, okay, as usual, network upgrade, but nothing will still happen. The coins will remain where it is or even drop more. So I think it is time they need to come up with something different that can, even there's a network upgrade, what is this? How can it help Terra Classic? We want to see Terra Classic bounce back. People are tired of seeing Terra Classic or hoping that the coin will reach maybe 1 cent or 0.001. But it has been difficult seeing this coin, seeing people losing, and it's not even attractive to investors anymore. So a coin that is attractive, every day you see people will be investing on the coin, but it's no longer attractive anymore. Terra Classic for me, it's just there. And I don't think, I plan to invest on Terra Classic. I was about last month. Yes, I planned that, that I'm going to buy more coins of Terra Classic. That was early last month. But after checking, after looking, analyzing, researching, I was like, thank God I did not. Because from that last month I planned to buy, Terra Classic had even dropped almost 50 to 60% in price. Imagine. So let's assume I invested $100 on Terra Classic early last month. By now, I would have been left with about maybe 70. So you see, that is the problem. People are scared of investing on the coin. Rather, they're investing on other crypto coins. So actually, what did I do with my money when I wanted to invest? I decided not to invest on Terra Classic. What I did with my money was that I went straight up, look for a top 100 crypto coins that is doing well and I know have good projects. I divided the money into two. I invested on Coin and invested also on Tron. These are the two coins that I invested on. Coin and Tron. Because I've checked the analysis, I discovered that these two coins recently have been doing well. There is a tendency to see more. There's a tendency to see them rise more, especially Coin. Okay, I have Coin. I decided to buy more instead of buying Terra Classic because I would have been stuck with Terra Classic hoping. And since I invested on these coins, the truth is I'm making some profit. In the last month now, these two can be able to rise. At least I'm seeing that something is, I'm making some profit. That is what we want in crypto industry. That is what every investors want to see. Like they normally say in schools, or what they taught us, the main focus, the main goal of every investor is profit. Every business person is profit. I am an investor. I want to make profit, not stuck one place. This is the reason why I didn't choose to invest. But earlier, I really wanted to invest on Terra Classic. But after analyzing, after talking to myself, I was like, no, let me go for Coin and Tron. Next coin I'll be looking at, I also plan to invest on, is SUI coin and C network. Yes, I plan to invest on these two coins. I also plan to buy more eCash. These three coins I just mentioned. I have eCash, so I'm planning to buy more eCash. I'm also planning to buy more Coin, then invest on SY because I don't have SY coin, and I also invest on C network. These two coins, I don't have a coin, so I just make sure that I want to make sure I have some coins on these two. Like I normally preach here, make sure you have at least a $10, $20. Buy some of this coin, have 3-4 zeros, and leave them. Anything can happen in the next future. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.